Back with another Las Vegas room tour. This time I'm at Excalibur. This is for those who are maybe on a lower budget, but still acceptable room for a night or two in Las Vegas. Let's start with the bathroom. Everything does look a little old, like the wallpaper and stuff, but it's pretty clean in here. So that's one of the main things that matters. Got a lot of counter space, big mirror. Sorry for these lights. Let's take a look at the shower. Shower's pretty basic, sliding door. Shower head's all right, couple toiletries in there. Nothing fancy, but at least it was clean. Coming out to the hallway, you got a little closet here with a lock box. Also a luggage rack. The main room, flat screen TV, little dresser, couple lamps. Beds were all right. Clean is the number one thing here. The room was clean and it was free also. You can get these free with MGM rewards, up to 4 nights free. So it's definitely worth staying one night, especially on big events.